Hi, I'm Matt Plunk. I'm a pediatric radiologist at the Children's Hospital of Wisconsin. I was always interested in pediatrics going into medical school. I think it gives you the opportunity to have the greatest impact on someone's life if you intervene on something as a child. The thing I like best about my job is the just collaborative nature of our work. Radiology as a specialty, you're always being kind of called in as a consultant. Someone is sending a patient to get an imaging test and they're asking for your interpretation of it to help them care for their patient. It may be something as relatively common as a chest x-ray or a radiograph of the foot, or it may be something as complex as a high-end MRI or CT to answer a complex problem. And I like working with other physicians because they approach things from a different way that we do, but together I think we impact the patient in a meaningful way. The majority of patients who undergo tests may not actually see their radiologist, but we are always there and available for answering patient questions or discussion of if there's any concerns about is this exam right, is this exam safe. We are always there and available to discuss with a patient or a family member. Kids deserve the best. What that means to me is that when you bring your child to a hospital or a clinic, you should feel comfortable that they are going to be getting the most expert care, the most specialized care that they can that is suited for children. We do everything we can to customize the entire experience for a child. We make sure that all our dose protocols are set up so that children get the least amount of radiation exposure or have the least amount of exposure to contrast agents, so that it's appropriate for a child. It's not just bringing down an adult, size things for them. And also that when you get your study read, that you're getting it read here by experts in pediatric imaging who are comfortable with all wide variety of pediatric diagnosis, and that's all we do is just deal with children all day long. So kids deserve the best, I think really means that high level of care is the standard, not the exception.